first time we did a nasogastric tube was in these facilities, and then literally the next week we had a patient in the ED come by and was comfortable letting us perform a nasogastric tube on a real patient. Yeah, I think the SAN has been such a great opportunity for me. I feel no regrets at all coming to Sydney.
Getting to be such an important part of a person's life, maybe in their most vulnerable state, it can be really rewarding.
We've been able to follow patients through their journey at the SAN, and it was amazing to be able to see patients in clinic and then see them at the birth of their baby as well, and how the patients were so willing to have us along for their journey here.
Going into med school, I thought I wanted to go down the critical care path, and I think that stayed the same. I think I've had a really good experience on all of my critical care placements. I did my elective here at the SAN as well in the anaesthetics department, which was amazing.
I have learnt so much in my year here.
It felt like a big family.
There is so much that you can learn from a place like the SAN as well as other clinical placements.
I think it's been really good.